Hi everyone and welcome to this video about blockchain for agriculture. Blockchain is an innovative technology that is being increasingly used in fields of agriculture, helping to improve transparency, traceability, and efficiency in the supply chain. In this video, we will be discussing what blockchain is, how it can be used in agriculture, and its benefits. First, let's talk about what blockchain is. Essentially, blockchain is a digital ledger that records transactions in a secure and transparent way. Each block in the chain contains a cryptographic hash of previous block, creating an immutable record that cannot be altered or deleted. So how can blockchain be used in agriculture? Well, one of the main application of blockchain is agriculture. Blockchain in agriculture is in supply chain management. By using blockchain to record and track the movement of product through the supply chain, farmers and other stakeholders can gain greater transparency and traceability from the farm to table. Blockchain can also be used to improve efficiency in the supply chain by reducing the need for intermediaries and manual record keeping. By automating the process of record and keeping the records, blockchain can help to reduce errors, fraud, and issues that can arise in the supply chain. One of the main benefits of blockchain for agriculture is that it can help to improve food safety and quality. By recording data on the origin, production, and transportation of food products, blockchain can help to identify potential issues and respond more quickly to food safety concerns. Another advantage of blockchain is that it can help to increase transparency and accountability in supply chain, promoting fair trade and sustainable practices. By providing a secure and transparent record of transactions, blockchain can help to ensure that farmers and other stakeholders are fairly compensated for their products, and that environmental and social standards are being upheld. In conclusion, blockchain is a powerful technology that can help to improve transparency, traceability, and efficiency in this agriculture supply chain. By providing secure and transparent record of transactions, blockchain can help to improve food safety, increase transparency and accountability, and promote fair trade and sustainable practices. So, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Up till then, bye bye.